You ready?
Finally.
You like my try?
Yeah. Let's go do this.
Yeah.
Let's do this. Yeah. Let's do it.
They say when a girl walks the edges of the world, she'll find herself if she looks for long enough.
Gentlemen, guys, thank you so much for your patience and welcome to Love Spell. We're about to start the bridal party, so if you can, put your hands together, get really loud, make sure they hear you.
Oh, you're getting it. I told him I'm doing it to you. You're not doing it to me.
Get her, Andrew. Well, get her, Andrew. Not doing that.
I'm trying to keep this marriage happy.
KK is the best person I know, and not just because she's my daughter. She's kind, caring, and genuine. She's not a follower, she's a leader. KK always does KK. She is such a badass. And I'm so proud that Andrew has found my KK.
Well, both of you are just the sweetest joy to watch. Your love, I think, just makes all of us want to feel that special look that you have for each other. I'm blessed to call you my daughter. And my firstborn, the night I held you in my arms, I said, one day you're going to meet a woman who loves you as much as I do. And you did.
Andrew and Kayla, you guys mean more to me than I can describe.
We became really close, and you guys have become my family. I love both of you so much.
They have true love, and I'm glad you guys are all here to see it.
So both of you, I love you with all my heart.
And I do want to recognize the one that couldn't be here, which is our father. He would be so proud of this day.
Walks the edges of the world, she'll find herself if she looks for long enough. They say,
I see you, baby.
Oh my God, these feelings just begun. I'm saying things I've never said, doing things I've never done. Oh my God, when I see you I should it right. But I'm frozen in motion and my head tells me to stop. Feeling feelings I feel about us. Try to fight it, but it's never enough. It's more than a crush, cause I'm frozen in motion and my head tells me to stop, but my heart goes cause my heart goes oh my God, can't believe what I've become. I'm thinking things I shouldn't think, singing songs I've never sung. Oh my God, when I see you I should run, but I'm frozen in motion and my head tells me.
There was a time I used to look into my father's eyes. In a happy home, I was a king, I had a golden throne. Those days are gone, now the memories on the wall. I hear the songs from the places where I was born. Upon a hill across the blue lake, that's where I had my first heartbreak. I still remember how it all changed. My father said, don't you worry, child. See, heaven's got a plan for you. Don't you worry now. Yeah.
more time, shout out to Kay and Andrew.